Thank you so much for your best wishes towards us, sir. Now, our next address is by Sri Omkarnath Yadav, IRIS, Victory Uniform, having the call sign Victory Uniform 3 Oscar Oscar Oscar, the director at SAI, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Sir, we are eager to hear your thoughts.
Sir, respected Suresh Kumar sir, Brigadier Jaideep Chanda sir, respected Viresh Goyal sir, Colonel Sanjay Srivastava sir, R.C. Malik sir, and various distinguished delegates. Good morning to all of you. So everyone have talked about the technical aspect of ham radio. So I am connecting the dot with the sports, how I can connect the ham with sports. So I will try to connect this ham activity with the Fit India movement and Khelo India movement. So actually government is promoting various sports activity for the health of each and every people in the country. So one activity which is DXing or fox hunting in terms of ham radio, that can be connected with the Fit India or Khelo India. If you are healthy and you have stamina and having the alert mind, and you are capable of locating the transmitters with use of compass, map, etc. So you can locate the transmitter. So it's my idea that this game, this sports activity can be promoted as the Khelo India schemes of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So I request the ham community to give the proposal to the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports that in other country how they are executing this activity as a sports, so that can be implemented in India also in very formalized and with a standard and scientific way that is required for the sports activities. So this is from my side, and welcome to all of you in Kolkata in Hamfest 2024. We have tried that some of the ministers from Youth Affairs may attend this program, but due to their other engagements they have not been confirmed to attend this program. And one challenge was for me to how to explain that this activity can be connected with the youth affairs and sports. So I have tried to convince the people in the youth affairs and sports that most of the youths can be motivated to help the community during the disasters, and for that fitness is required, for that healthy and technical skills is also required. So this is a combination of technology and being healthy and fit. So something I have tried to convince them, but anyhow with the feedback of the ham community I will try again. So with these words, thank you all of you. 7-3 from my side. Thank you.